Hey everybody, sorry, I already started unpackaging this because it's got multiple different layers. This is supposed to be, I think, one of the Apple Watches I just bought. So let's unbox it and bag it. I guess this is a box bag. Box bag. A box and two bags. One box and two bags. Okay. So I got this online. So this is the Apple Watch Series 3. So this is mine. And I thought for sure that this was different. So it comes with this. This is the paperwork. This is the small to medium. So what's on it? Medium to large. Band. This is the charging adapter for the wall. And then the charger. This one's super nice. It's a lot nicer than the one I have for my other one. So I have the second generation right here. I have the second generation right here, and the third generation here. I also have the first generation coming as well. So really the only difference I'm seeing with these is the red thing on there. This one's supposed to have cellular data and stuff as well. Because there's the SIM card slot. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. So, a SIM card slot is what I call it. But, I'm going to go ahead and switch this band out probably for another band. And I would really love to have this band on that watch. That would be so cute. So that is my Apple Watch Series 3. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna plug this in and see if it'll charge. And so, dang, I need to throw these pants away. Sorry, I just noticed that I have holes right here on my pants. Anyway, I'm gonna charge this up, see how it works and everything. And then I have this one, and I have the first generation coming in the mail. And then when the 4 comes out, I'll try to get it. And I was just now figured out that they are a Series 0. So I'm going to try to get a hold of that one and compare the different ones. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, you guys.